Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Hey, no, can I get in? Can I get in? Yeah. This yours, man? Yep. Sounds good, dude. Did you build it? You're not done? Still more amps to put in. Okay. Trying to switch from AGM to lithium. Yeah. Okay. Could you give me a rundown real quick what all's in here?
4 CVX 15 stars. 3 D6500 XS power batteries.
Okay.
And the SKV 4500.
4500. Okay.
On all 4, and they're wired down to a half ohm.
Half ohm. Okay. So what? Do you know the box specs, like tuning and size
yeah.
and all?
It's 30 hertz to 22 cubes.
22 cubes. Okay. Wow. Is that concrete, or how did you do that?
That's
just curious.
I didn't want straight boards coming down because it like gets in my head. Like I gotta have contour.
Yes, sir.
So I used foam behind it.
Okay.
And then I used fiberglass. I just still got a lot of fucking,
good idea.
I got a lot of fucking sanding to do on it.
Yes, sir. Okay. Well, thanks for the demo. What was your name?
I'm Shane Miller.
Shane Jacob. Appreciate it, man. Nice to meet you. Yep.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.